What's up, guys? This is a painting of Sailor Moon. Once again, I forgot to record the beginning, but I just sketched it out. Right now we're doing the background. We want to give it like a cool starry, moony effect, kind of like a galaxy theme. My wife's putting some splats, and now I'm once again using a pen to sketch again because it got buried all over the background paint. I'm trying to do a base coat right now so I can see the image better right here. I'm going to stop using pens because pens... they're just so hard to cover, so I'm going to start using pencil. So that's why I use the light paint so I can see the images better. Right now I'm just trying to give the image light paint so I can see what I got to do. Here I'm touching up some minor details. I'm getting close to being finished right here. I had to play around with their skin color. I had a peach color, but I added too much yellow. So here I am adding yellow to the hair. And yeah, man, it's basically finished at this point. I already touched up all the details. And check it out. What do you think? Now I did add another crescent moon. I had to make a stencil because I just had a vision for it. At first I was going to do the spray paint silver moon, but I thought I should do it white instead. I didn't have any like sponge brushes laying around, so I just used bunched up napkin, and I cut the stencils out of a soda box, and I touched it up with more paint so that when I spray it, it'll bleed, and I just wanted that effect. What do you think though, Addie, so far?
I think it looks sick.
Really?
Yeah.
If you like this painting, please like, sub, and comment what I should do next. Other than that, thank you guys for watching.